Now let's talk about how to load a number of different 3D content types within OpenRoads Designer. The first step to access this content is through the map browser. Here we utilize the 3D export tool, select our coordinate system, and then select the types of content that we want. Here I'm going to select the DSM and the DTM, which will come in GeoTIFF formats, and later on we'll utilize the textured mesh. Click Export, and you'll see your export running in your Downloads folder. When your export is complete, you'll have the ability to download from the Downloads folder onto your local machine. The next step is setting our coordinate system within OpenRoads Designer. Then we want to confirm that we are in a 3D workspace, and then we're ready to load up our content. Move over to the Terrain tab, go to Load from File, and find your DSM or DTM. Assure that all of your options are set to maximize performance, such as number of points, and then hit OK. Next, you'll see OpenRoads Designer generate a terrain model for you off of the raster image. Once your terrain is loaded up, you'll have the ability to work with it just like any other terrain model, cut cross sections, profiles, generate contours, as well as generate flow arrow maps. Next up, let's load our reality mesh. Here we utilize the Home tab, go to Attachment Tools and select Reality Mesh. Navigate to the reality mesh that you exported from Map Browser in the 3MX format. Hit OK, and you'll see your reality mesh load up within your 3D workspace.